My channel, it's your girl Mikala, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, hey, and if you'd like to be a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. But first, let's get into these results, because I am loving every definition, every moisture, every bounce. I am loving these results. So if you want to see how I got these results step by step, continue to watch the video. Let's get right into it. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to get the perfect, most defined twist out. But first, y'all, this is a 15-day-old twist out. It is so dry, brittle, everything, you name it. So first, I would like to do a pre-poo on my hair to give my hair back to life, get it back moisturized. So first, I'll be using Carol's Daughter Deep Moisture Mask as well as Dew Grow. Let's get right into it. Okay, so now what all I did was put my hair into 4, and you will need some water, a comb, possibly a rubber band, as well as a brush to get it more detangled. So I'm just gonna go section by section. So I'll start at the back. Y'all, this is crazy. I'm just gonna make sure you wet it. More creamy feel. So I'm just going to put a lot because I know how much my hair needs. So I'm going to put a lot, and you see how it's already allowed me to detangle. You can either finger detangle, or you can use a comb. What I'm going to do now is just simply get some oil and put some oil on my strands of hair. Just get some oil, put it on my scalp as well as on my hair, and just rub that in. Okay, so I'm back and I have finished all 4 sections, and so now I'm just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes because I really don't feel like letting it sit. But there's not much shedding that came out. It was just this much. I think that's good for my 14-15 day hairstyle. So I'm just gonna let this sit, and I'm gonna hop in the shower, shampoo and condition my hair, and I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I'm back and I'm just drying my hair with a microfiber towel. I use this towel more than I use a regular towel because the other towels strip my hair out. So now what I did use for my conditioner and shampoo was also Carol's Daughter Coco Cream Conditioner and Shampoo. My hair feels so soft. So now what I'm going to do is put in the leave-in conditioner. I did not deep condition this time because I just didn't have time and I don't feel like it. So what I'm going to do is put in leave-in conditioner as well as put in some rice water by Mielle, moisturizing milk, and then I'm going to use this. This is something new that I'm using. I normally use $1 from my twist outs, but I've been hearing a lot of great reviews about Xtreme gel lines. So what I'm going to do is use this today with my twist out. So first I'm just going to take these down. My hair is already kind of detangled. I did not finger detangle, do any of that in the shower. So that's how good it is to pre-poo, to skip that whole process. With this, again, you can either finger detangle or you can use a dimming brush or a comb. I'm just going to finger detangle taking about that much. Come on, curls. Come on, curls. Yes, ma'am. That's what we like. Like, do y'all see that? That's what we love to see. That little bounce back. So what I'm going to do is twist that back up. And then I'm going to come back after I do the other three and show you what I'll do next. So first I will be taking this Mielle Rice Water Moisturizing Milk. I did previously use this on my last twist out, and y'all, it kept my hair so moisturized for the whole entire week. First off, it smells good. Like, it smells amazing. And I love rice water, so this is something that I wanted to try, and I tried it and it's perfect. And also it goes well with gel. So I'm going to put this on this whole entire section first, and then I'm going to put in this Xtreme gel. Okay, so I twist all the way down until I get about this much left. And what I do is I go ahead and wrap it around my finger and let it twirl up, and it will make a coil to where when you take your twist down, you'll have a curl at the end. Okay, now I have finished flat twisting the whole entire front, as well as did the individual twists around this area. So now I'm going to move on to the back. this is how it looks. So now what I'm going to do is just lay some of my hair to make it look decent. Okay, and this is the final product. So what I'm going to do is come back at the end of the week whenever I'm ready to take down my twist out, and I will show you the final results. Came out so perfect. It is so moisturized, so defined. Like, do y'all see that? It is so defined. It has so much body, and I just love them. I really do. I really love when I do twist outs. I left my twist in from Saturday, and today is Friday, so I took it down today, which is Friday. So I'll say about a week, going on a week, and I left it in. I worked out in it, went to work, ran my errands, and the twist out came out so perfect, and it was still moisturized. I did on my scalp every other day, and sometimes every day, but mostly every other day. But I just love it. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.